Hey everybody, Chris with Dogecoin Live here. In this video we're going to talk about Dogecoin and Shiba Inu token, the leading meme coins, and are they dead? First, please be sure to subscribe to the Dogecoin Live channel. Hit that little notification bell too so you can be notified when my new videos come out. And also join us on our live stream. That's right, we have a 24-hour, 7-day-a-week live stream if you haven't seen it already. We are watching a little retracement right now happening with Doge down to about 9.1 cents, looks like. But this isn't just Dogecoin that's falling down. This is Bitcoin, and the whole crypto market is doing a pullback here as I'm recording this on Friday morning Boston time. But I will be on live 9 o'clock p.m. Boston time, East Coast time, on Dogecoin Live. We'll be talking about the charts, the action, as well as what's going on in the stock market and what happened through Friday and looking ahead at the weekend. You can come on Dogecoin Live whenever you want. Leave a comment. People in the chat will respond. So we're on all day. So please be sure to check that out and listen to the great music and watch the charts as well. You can just leave it on in the background if you want as well. So always nice to have. So Dogecoin Live, check out the live charts. And also we now have our Twitter account live. So check out Dogecoin Live on Twitter at Dogecoin Live. Give a follow. Certainly appreciate the support there. So what's happening in the markets right now? Well, we're seeing Dogecoin coming down just a little bit. This is where we were last night when I was on Dogecoin Live, right here above 9 cents. So overnight, we had a little bit of positive movement and now coming back down. But overall, as we zoom out, let me check Bitcoin first. See, Bitcoin is dropping down too. So it's not just Doge, and we got ETH and others also seeing a little bit of red candle here with some high volume. So that's happening across the board. So we're going to be taking a look at this article on Cointelegraph. Do Dogecoin and Shiba Inu stalled rallies mean the meme coin trend is dead? So, absent shill and bullish news flow, Doge and Shiba have struggled to keep up with the wider crypto market rally that occurred in January. So that's just Doge and Shiba. And if we look at them in comparison to Bitcoin and other coins, yeah, they didn't quite do as well. But if you watch me, and also if you just look at the history, you know that Doge and Shiba both have the ability to just take off when the rest of the crypto market is flat or even going down. Happened back in 2021, a little bit in 22, and I'm expecting that again to happen in 2023 as well. So if we look at Doge and we zoom out to the daily, what we're looking at is back here on October 24th here, Doge was at 5.9 cents. And that is right before the Elon Musk announcement that he was actually buying Twitter. And then Dogecoin took off. So where was Bitcoin then? Well, Bitcoin at that time was at about 19,000, 20,000. Bitcoin kind of went up a little bit. I think the big rise in Dogecoin was helping bring up the rest of the crypto market. But then Bitcoin dumped. And when Bitcoin dumped here, this was the FTX fiasco that happened, Bitcoin dropped down, created a new low of 15,600 was the new low there that Bitcoin hit, but not Doge. Now, Doge was trading up here at 15 cents. It dropped down, but it was still higher than it was back on October 24th. So it was right here about 7.5 cents. And since then, Doge has kind of traded sideways a bit, but since 6.9 cents here on December 22nd or December 30th, Doge has come up a bit and is now in this upward channel. Bitcoin has indeed had a bigger January than Doge and is also in an upward channel. But we know what Doge can do, what it's done before, and Doge can go on big runs. Shiba also can go on big runs as well. Shiba has had a good January so far and is in its own upward channel here, although I haven't drawn it yet here. We know that Shiba can go on big runs as well. So what's happening in the markets right now? We've got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge. They slumped post the FOMC meeting, because we did have, if I go back to the Bitcoin chart here on the 30-minute, we had this big run after the FOMC meeting where Bitcoin went up over 24,000. Now at 23.3, there's a little bit of downward movement in Bitcoin, and we see that in Doge as well. So now they're a little bit more paired up is what is happening. So we see that retracement happening. But overall, if we look at coin market cap, we've got Dogecoin still the number 9 cryptocurrency, down 1.7% over the past 24 hours, where Matic is down over 3%, Solana over 2%, Bitcoin down 1.5%, Ethereum 1.7%. So we're all kind of lockstep right now, moving together. So that's what we see happening now. Looking forward through February, Finbold has this machine learning algorithm that sets the Dogecoin price for the end of February. This has this slow and steady gain here is what this machine learning algorithm has projected, with Doge reaching 9.5 cents here by the end of February. But we know nothing trades in a straight line like that. This is how it trades, up and down and up and down. So we're going to see more of this kind of action. And whether it ends up at 9.5 cents or not at the end of February, yeah, that could be. But what I'm looking forward to is further on, because we're looking at Doge and how Doge can move in the future. This article, to me, is like Bitcoin maxis just throwing more FUD at Doge and SHIB because they don't like them. And it's not only Doge and SHIB too. I mean, look at Floki here. Floki is taking off. We also, on the stream last night, we looked at Baby Dogecoin. We looked at Doge Elon Mars. They all had good Januaries as well. And especially this week had some good positive action moving up. So a lot of people are interested again in these meme coins, and the Bitcoin maxis don't like that because money is going into these instead of Bitcoin and ETH and the so-called blue chips of crypto. That's how I see it right now. Would certainly like to hear your comments. Leave a comment below what you think about Doge and Shiba and this sort of meme coin excitement that seems to be building again. I certainly know that Doge and SHIB are going to take off again at some point in time. There's going to be some catalyst, some news that's going to make them take off. And if you're still waiting for another dip before buying in, you might miss that. And again, not financial advice, but this is just what I've seen in the history before. And so the meme coin trend is not dead. It's really more alive now than it's been in the past few months, except for the Doge Twitter thing that was pretty exciting back at the end of October. I think we're going to see something big like that again happening with Doge and even SHIB. And SHIB may have its own with the Shibarium. We may see SHIB take off as well on its own. So join us on Dogecoin Live, 9 o'clock on Friday night. We'll be talking about the Friday trading and looking forward to the weekend ahead. Are we going to see more of a retracement happening on Friday? The stock market isn't open yet when I'm making this video. Stocks may be looking at like Google and Apple and Amazon and their bad earnings calls late Thursday. They were down after market yesterday. Pre-market seemed to be recovering just a little bit, but we'll see how the whole stock market sort of reacts to that today, as well as growing fears about recession still happening, whether it's a soft recession or whatever it is. Anyway, we'll talk about that more as well. Please give the video a like. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to the Dogecoin Live channel and follow us on Twitter at Dogecoin Live as well. We will see you next time.